Hi everyone, the purpose of this video is to walk you through how to view your feedback that you're receiving on any assignments that you're turning in for this course. So your first step would be to log into UBLearns, and then you can come right onto the left-hand side and look at My Grades. You'll see all of the assignments so far that are attached to due dates in our course. So we have all of the discussion board posts as well as the first two upcoming major assignments, which is your quad text set and your lesson plan assignment part 1. So first to note is that you can look at the rubric for each of these assignments. And then secondly, on your screen, you'll see a score out of 2.5 for each of the assignments that you've turned in. And you'll be able to either click on that score or a link in the last activity section. And when you click on those links, it will take you to the feedback and your score from the rubric on that specific assignment. If you would like to see the rubrics for the quad text set and the lesson plan assignment, you can look at them in My Grades, but you'll also see them in the submission area for the assignment as well, if you're curious about that. If you would like to access this video at a later date, all you need to do is click on How to View Feedback on UBLearns, and you can rewatch this video. I hope it's helpful. I especially wanted to create something like this since we're a few weeks into the semester, and if anybody had any questions or concerns about why they're not receiving full credit on their discussion posts, perhaps you're just not accessing the feedback for those posts. I'm happy to answer any questions through email, or you can sign up to meet with me during office hours. All right, everyone, have a great day. Take care.